In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transfer money rules on bank rules in Xero. This walkthrough will show you how to set up a rule so that Xero can automatically recognize and code transfers between your accounts, saving you time and reducing errors when you reconcile your bank statements. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look for the accounting menu along the top navigation bar. Click on accounting. This is where you access most of your core financial tools, including bank accounts and bank rules, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Once the accounting menu is open, look for the option labeled Bank Rules and click on it. The Bank Rules area is where you can set up automation for how Xero treats your bank transactions. Instead of manually coding similar transactions over and over again, you can create rules that tell Xero what to do when it sees certain patterns. Inside the Bank Rules section, you'll see different types of rules, such as spend money and receive money. For this video, we're focusing on transfers between your accounts, so click on Transfer Money Rule. This tells Xero that the rule you're about to create will be used when money is being moved from one account to another, rather than representing income or an expense. Next, you'll need to create a new rule. Look for the button or link that says Create Rule and click on it. This opens the rule setup page where you define the conditions and behavior of your transfer money rule. On the rule creation page, take your time to carefully fill in the details. Start by giving your rule a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Then, set the conditions for when this rule should apply. For example, you might base it on text that appears in the bank description, reference, or payee fields. You'll also need to choose the account that the funds are coming from and the account they're being transferred to. Make sure these match how the transfers appear in your bank feed. The more specific and accurate your conditions are, the more reliably Xero will apply the rule without you having to make manual changes. Once you're happy with all the details and have double-checked that the from and to accounts are correct, scroll down and click on Save. Xero will now store this transfer money rule and use it automatically whenever future bank transactions match the conditions you've set. This helps keep your reconciliations consistent and speeds up your workflow every time you process your bank feeds.